Hi, fellow greasy people. Newly made friend of mine, Cookie Ken, was on a ride over the past few days with a friend of his, Matt. There was an accident. I don't have a lot of details, but I know there's a rider laid up in the hospital and he could use some help. They've set up a GoFundMe, and I don't like asking for money, but if you could donate, this isn't for me. This is for a guy I don't know, but I have it on good authority. He's laid up and he needs some help. I'll put a link in the description to Cookie Ken's video. Please check that out. Also, the Lano Rider has a video with links to it. I'm going to try to get all that in the description, and hopefully we can help this guy out. Sending prayers for Matt's speedy recovery. I hope you're back up and going real soon.